This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. We're going to analyze France 40, German 30, NASDAQ 100, US 30, gold, Euro USD, and yeah. So let's see what we can expect from here. The market is really selling off, guys. So it means we just need to be safe out there. Don't jump on the market. Wow, the market is really selling off. So we need to be safe. We don't have to try to catch the big move. Just wait for something. Just use your buy pending orders. Maybe when the market is going to come back or bounce back, you will be in a very nice trade. So what do we see here? Let's start with German 30. So on German 30, I did something like this. Let's see. Something like this, or let's just go to a daily time frame, because this is a very old, very old, very old support and resistance. So let's see, I want to show you something. So you can see that, okay, we had this support for some time now. You can see that. So now the market is like dropping. So but since we no longer have something like a support very close, I have to go back on my daily time frame and make sure that I get something. So I got something. That's why I think maybe this can support this area, then the market maybe will bounce back. So but you need to be safe out there, because I don't know why the market is going low. Just see the market, everything, actually all the indices are just selling off. The US30, yes, US30 started yesterday. So now German 30, France 40, UK 100, they just following the trend. So you should be like really safe out there. We don't know where this thing will stop, but maybe we will see a support here, because we see the market was respecting these areas. Maybe we will see the market supporting around this area. But if not, then we need to be out of the market, because I don't know what moves the market at the moment. So at the moment is we just look for a buy position if you are not already on a sell. So it means you're going to have maybe your positions or your buy pending orders around these areas. When the market is trying to go back, then you will find something. Or if it keeps pushing lower, maybe you will say something like this, but I don't think that it's really useful. You should just wait, and the market, I think, will provide the structure that you want to draw whatever that you want to draw. Even this area, it seems to be a support area. Maybe the market will reach this area, we don't know, but the best thing is stay safe, guys. We need you tomorrow to trade, even the next day, even next month, until you reach your goals. You see, the aim is not to just jump on the market when you see this big moves, because this big move, they don't really happen every day. You can see they happened here. After that, the move was just going very slow. Here we see another moves. Here the moves were just moving very smooth, but this kind of a move is not like everyday thing. So it means sometimes you just need to stay out. If it's in your favor, then I hope you are eating, which is, it's very good. So I don't want to make this video very long, so let's go to France 40 and see what we can get on France 40. So guys, this is a daily time frame. So all the indices are selling. Why? At the moment, I don't know. I don't really know at the moment, so I don't think this will make sense. I don't have something that we can rely on at the moment. I don't think we have on France 40. Even if we try to connect, will be like I don't think so. So it means for France 40, guys, I don't have anything that I can say. This is our like valid support. So we just have to wait for the market to show us that. So but we have some areas. If we look to our left, we have some areas which maybe they can be our support. We also have this area. If maybe you draw that, we also have this area. You can see that. So on this area, I don't think maybe you can call that a support or something. So I think this was a resistance. Maybe the market will come here and push there if it reaches this area. But I think around these zones, the market will, even here, the market can still bounce back. But you just have to wait for the market to do its thing. This move is similar to what happened here. Do you see what happened here? You see? The market just shoot lower, but you don't know where the market will will get that support. So the market will just try to bounce back until we see the market pushing up. But at the moment, we don't have that nice move. But maybe let's try to do something. Maybe let me try to go on a bit smaller time frame. It's still Tuesday, guys, so don't get confused and say maybe you're missing some big moves. No, just relax. You will catch a very nice buy if you relax. If you relax, you'll get a very nice buy. So I think maybe this area, let's try this area. Let's go to our left. That can make sense also. You see, maybe that can be our support. Let's try with double lines. Maybe that will also make sense. But I'm not saying that it's like a must that the market will just stand there. No, I'm not sure, but I think, yeah, but it makes a very nice support. I think the market can still, because we see the market bounced several times around this area, and we also see another area bouncing there, and maybe this will come and bounce here, because at the moment we had something like a support here, but you can see that support is broken, so it means it's no longer valid. So that's why we now draw in the second one. But you know what to do. If maybe you want to be in the trade, wait for the market to reach here, or wait for the market to give you a nice structure that you can follow. Then before you can say now maybe it's time to buy. So at the moment it's time to relax, guys. So don't rush on the market. We already made some nice profit days before, so now it's a very nice day for you to take that off. So let's see on NASDAQ 100. On NASDAQ 100, we can even go maybe to a 4-hour time frame. Let me remove this. On a 4-hour time frame to see exactly what we can expect from here. So NASDAQ 100, the other ones when they sell, NASDAQ 100 was just chilling. NASDAQ 100 did not have that strong sell, so it means we might see some very nice moves from this. I don't know why this thing is like this. It goes crazy sometimes. So you can see, even if I did not, this is a support, this is our resistance. So the market is actually creating this move nicely, but on a steep support, which means this is a buy. We only buy when the market reaches this area. I did not give anyone the signals. Why? Because everything is acting crazy, so we need to be safe. So it means we missed this we just missed it. I just ignored it because maybe the market was going to do this, was going to sell off. You've seen what happens, what happened on US30 and the other indices. So we don't want to be a buy and then the market is just keep going lower and lower. You see. So for NASDAQ 100, we just waiting for the market to cool down. Then we can say when it reaches this area, it's where we're going to do what? To buy. We're going to buy when the market it reaches this area. Or maybe let's say the market will never come back here again. It means we can wait for the market to break this area. We can wait for a retest or not. But as long as the market will be above this area, we can have a nice buy. Then we can just scale up going up. But at the moment, it's time to chill. It's time to relax. We don't have to force the market to give us stuff that we want, even if it's not the right time, you see. So let's see. We have gold here. We have gold. Everything's on 4-hour time frame, guys. I just want to make this video very quick. I hate making very long videos, guys, so I just want to like quick, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then we're done, then we can see what you can get. So on 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 gold, everything's quite nice and straightforward. We had this, remember, we had this resistance, and we had a buy pending order here. Then the market kept going lower. So now the market is back on our support. If you check my previous video, I think you will see what I'm talking about. You will understand. I said the market might come back again. I think it's also a yesterday's video. Yeah, I think it's all yesterday's video where I said the market might come back because this is our main support. That's why I did not remove this support. This is our main support. Now the market is back here, then we might see another push, but don't just expect a push, a crazy push like this. You can expect some consolidating, some consolidation before you see some crazy moves, you see. So because why? Because mostly when the market reaches this area, everyone is aware that okay, this is a support. Once you buy, you are in profit. So I think the market doesn't want to make things easy for us, so it will just consolidate. It can just consolidate for 2 or 3 days until you think this is too much. Then when you get out, you will see some crazy moves like this. Then the market will just shoot up, you see. So have that patience, guys, patience. So that can also help you in the market. It's what you want in the market to make yourself successful. So let's go straight to US oil and see what we can get on US oil. Yeah, everything was like selling, guys, this week. So or we can just say it's not like selling. The market is just refreshing. The market has been, most things they were just going up. So you can remember we had something like this here. Then when we draw that, then you can see the market broken that. Now it's like it's retesting. So we will see if the market will retest here and push lower, you see. So let me just make that on a very nice with a very clear line. You can see that. Let me remove the dotted line. So you can see that the market was just respecting this support line here. It was respecting that very nicely. So what do we see? We see the market breaking that. This might be a retest, guys. The market can push lower. If this doesn't happen, it means that the market can create something like this, can come back and respect that support again. But at the moment, this support is now our resistance. We're just waiting for few bearish candlesticks. Then if it shows bearish candlesticks, then it's where we're going to sell oil again. But at the moment, it seems to be like very slow. It's really very slow, but it seems to be respecting this. There's a resistance, you see that. But if it does, it means we are on a very we are on the right side. So it means it's where maybe we're going to throw something like this. I want to show you something, because if you don't think forward, then it's something else. You just have to see, okay, maybe the market is creating something like this. So it's possible that the market is now creating something like this. Why? Because we've broken that uptrend, which it was showing us to only buy. Now we are on a downtrend, which we're going to sell every time when the market reaches this resistance. I hope you understand that, guys. Please, if you have any question, just comment there. Check my description. You will find everything that you want. My contacts. If you want to be in my Telegram group, you will find everything, guys. My contacts. If you want to be in the group, when you want to be in a VIP group, it's now $100. It comes with this thing is selling. So it comes with, actually dollar is very strong. So it comes with a system indicator, sorry, signal indicator. So the indicator, it shows you the signals, where to buy, where to sell, something like that. Whether it's NASDAQ, US30, all those things, you will find them in there, you see. So sorry, so let's go on Euro USD. So what do we see here, guys? We can see on a bigger picture, this is a 4-hour time frame. When we do our homework, we can see that this area might connect. These areas might connect if we try to connect them. Do you see that? Yes, I think you can see that. Let's remove that and draw a proper line. Or let me just use this. Let me just use this. You can just see that, okay, every time when the market reaches that area, the market is just bouncing back. But since this is a very on a bigger time frame, you can see that, okay, we also had something like downtrends like this, and maybe even this one is going to follow that, you see. So we need to be careful, because we had something like this here. This was a very nice uptrend, so that uptrend is now broken. Then once it's broken, we're supposed to have a very nice sell, and we did not have that, you see. We did not have that. Why? Because we were still thinking about buying only. Why? Because the market was on a very nice uptrend. If I remove that resistance, you will see that the market was on a very nice uptrend. You see that? So here we had, I think it's a buy or buy pending order. So then the market just broke out here. So actually we were supposed to have that sell a position ready on Euro USD. But you know what, the market, I don't know why dollar is very strong. Maybe because yesterday there was, but I don't think so. Because yesterday there was some financial reports from big companies. I don't know if maybe it's that, but if it's that, I think that can be short-lived. Maybe tomorrow or whatever, we will see the market trying to push lower. I mean, we will see the market bouncing back again, you see. But if it's not that, we will see. I don't know what is it, but maybe we will know why dollar is getting stronger and stronger, you see. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share the video with your friends. Let them join Kenzo's channel. Let them come and learn something, guys. So yeah, you can just share with your friends, and if you want to talk to me, you know what to do. Check my description. You will find everything that you want to know. If it's contacts, you will just contact me from there. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.